almost done with Trishy.
Help me put all the shapes in the bucket where they belong. In the little bucket. What shape is this one? Circle. Very good. Can we find the circle? Is this one a circle? No. This one's a heart. Does it go here? 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 It does. It fits into the heart-shaped. So put it in. There it goes. Where does this one go? Circle. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Star. Triangle. What about this one? It's getting full. It's getting full. Circle. Square. Square. One more. The last one is a, can you guess? Good guess. It's a heart, a yellow heart. Where does that one go into? Yes, right there. Can you help me? Do the last one. Heart. All done. What's this shape? Yes, it's a star shape. Star. What color is a star? It's an orange star. Heart. Green heart. Triangle. A peach or orange triangle. Square. Square. Can you say square? Square. Very good. Triangle. Circle. Square. Heart. A yellow heart.
Shapes with blue. Blue's Clues. Look for Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue wants to play today. Baseball. Bat. Let's find out. Help me lift the flap. Ready? What shape is the baseball? Yes, it's a circle. Blue wants to play baseball with magenta. Look for Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue wants to bring to a picnic. Sugar, a pitcher of water, and a lemon. Will you help me lift the flap? Okay, thank you. Lift. Blue wants to bring a pitcher of lemonade. Look for Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue gets for her birthday. A turtle shell, a tank, and it's green. Time to lift the flap. The turtle tank is shaped like a rectangle. A rectangle. Blue gets a pet turtle. A pet turtle. Look for Blue's Clues to figure out what Blue wants for dinner. Cheese, tomatoes, Lift the flap. The cheese is shaped like a triangle. And the pizza is too. Look for Blue's clues to figure out what Blue wants to do before bed. Lamp. Book. Now let's lift the flap. Blue's book is shaped like a square. Square. Blue wants to read a bedtime story. The end.